BMW reaches into their heritage vault and pulls out a legend. The 2026 BMW R100 revives an iconic nameplate, blending pure nostalgia with modern engineering excellence. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're exploring BMW's beautiful tribute to the past, the all-new R100. Design. The R100 is undeniably gorgeous. BMW has masterfully recreated classic styling cues from their legendary Airhead era. The teardrop fuel tank, round headlight, and flowing lines evoke genuine vintage charm. Those iconic boxer cylinders sit proudly exposed, creating that unmistakable silhouette. Chrome accents and quality paintwork add premium appeal, yet subtle modern touches ensure it doesn't feel outdated. The craftsmanship throughout is exceptional. This motorcycle feels special and handcrafted. Performance. Beneath the retro exterior sits a refined boxer twin, delivering smooth, characterful power. The engine provides that signature BMW torque and distinctive sound enthusiasts adore. Power delivery is relaxed yet satisfying, prioritizing enjoyable riding over outright speed. The chassis offers comfortable geometry suited for casual cruising and longer journeys. Handling remains predictable and confidence-inspiring. The R100 encourages you to slow down and simply enjoy the ride. Features and technology. Despite its classic appearance, the R100 includes essential modern technology. Discrete ABS and traction control ensure safety without compromising aesthetics. A subtle digital display provides necessary information cleanly. LED lighting hides within traditional-looking housings. BMW balances heritage authenticity with contemporary reliability perfectly. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R100 captures motorcycling's romantic spirit while offering modern peace of mind. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews. Comment below, does the R100 speak to you? Share with fellow enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Until next time.